Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do this beautiful Japanese knot bag. For this, we are using yarn, crochet hook and a cutter. This Japanese knot bag looks so cute and beautiful and it is very easy to do. It is a beginner friendly project. To do this bag, we want to know the basic stitches like slip knot, chain, double crochet, single crochet, triple crochet and slip stitch. First we have done the body part of the bag, then we folded them into two and joined the sides. Next we made the handle. One handle of the bag will be smaller and the other one will be the bigger for this knot bag, and join them to the body part of the bag. So now let's see how to do this beautiful knot bag. Start with slip knot. The foundation chain should be any even number. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain, and the number of chain should be any even number. After doing the chain, it looks like this. So this will be the width of the bag which we are going to do. Next, you're going to work in the second chain from the hook. The chain which has the loop is known as the first chain. So 1, 2. You're going to do single crochet. Insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is what we say it as single crochet. Next it's single crochet, insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. So likewise you are going to do single crochet in each stitch till you reach this end. After doing single crochet in each stitch, it looks like this. Next row, do chain 1, turn your work. So this second and third row will be the repeat row. So this is the chain which we turned. So this is the first stitch. You will be doing a single crochet. Next stitch you are going to do triple crochet. 2 times yarn over, insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You will have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. You will have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. This is what we say it as triple crochet. Next stitch, single crochet. So this is the pattern which you are going to follow for this row by doing single crochet in the first stitch and triple crochet in the next stitch. 2 times yarn over, insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You will have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. You will have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. This is what we say it is triple crochet. So next stitch, single crochet, and next stitch triple crochet. So we have to follow this to finish this row. Since we have started with single crochet, we will end the row with single crochet. So after completing the round, it looks like this. This is the back part and this will be the front part. For next row, do chain 1, turn your work. This will be the turning chain. You're going to work from this stitch. So you're going to do double crochet in the first stitch, yarn over, insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. This is what we say it as double crochet. Next stitch, double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. So likewise you are going to do double crochet in each stitch till you reach this end. After doing double crochet in each stitch, it looks like this. For next row, we are going to follow the pattern which we did in this second row. That is chain 1, turn your work, do a single crochet in the first stitch and triple crochet in the next stitch. So this will be the pattern you have to follow for this row. Single crochet in the first stitch and triple crochet in the next stitch. You have to follow them till you reach the end. And the next row we will do the double crochet. So this pattern is just a repeat of 2 rows. First row the pattern will be doing single crochet in the first stitch and triple crochet in the next stitch. And the next second row the pattern will be double crochet in each stitch. We have to follow these 2 rows till the required height of the bag you want. After doing them till the required size, it looks like this. Next you can fold them into 2 like this. We have to join the sides and we are going to make the handle. For this knot bag, one handle will be big and one handle will be small. We are going to join the side. So fold the work like this. So this is the wrong side and this is the right side. So we will be folding the right side facing each other and you are going to join both the sides. Insert it in this hook. Pull through. So you're going to join them using single crochet. So we will be taking both the side of the stitches like this and you will be joining them using single crochet. Same way you will be joining the other side also. We'll be joining them using single crochet. We'll do them till you reach this end. Same way we will join this side using single crochet. How we did here. After joining the sides, it looks like this. So next you're going to make the handle. You're going to do single crochet in each stitch for 10 stitches. After doing single crochet in each stitch for 10 stitches, it looks like this. Next do chain 1, turn your work, do single crochet in each stitch for 10 stitches. So this is the pattern which you are going to follow for this handle by doing single crochet in each stitch for 10 stitches. So after doing them, it looks like this. For next row, do chain 1, turn your work. You are going to do single crochet in each stitch for 10 stitches. Likewise, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch in each row. You will be doing them till you reach 12 centimeters. So this bag, one handle will be short and one handle will be long. So this short handle you are going to do for 12 centimeters. After doing the handle, it looks like this. I have done for 12 centimeter and attached to the bag. And next side, this handle will be bigger handle. I have done for 30 centimeter and let's see how to join them to the bag. So I have used slip stitch to join the handle to the bag. Insert it here and you are going to pull through both the loops. Take the next stitch, insert, yarn over, pull through both the loops and through this loop. So likewise you will be joining the handle to the bag. You will do them till you reach this end. After joining them, it looks like this. Next you can do chain 1 and snip off this yarn. Knot bag looks like this. Next you can insert this bigger handle inside this smaller handle like this. So knot bag looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.